Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing a Levoit Smart True HEPA, I think it's pronounced HEPA air purifier. So this model is the LV-PUR131S. And I have one of these already, but I got another one for my living room. So wanted to show you all this, unboxing this. It's smart, connects to your internet, your Wi-Fi connection at home. And just going to show you all the box before I unbox it. And these work really nice for keeping the air in my place clean. It definitely works well. I can tell it works well because when I'm cooking or have a candle on for too long, it will definitely turn on and let me know that the air is not that clean, so it'll start purifying it. So here we go. Also good for wildfire seasons and all that stuff where air won't be as clean. Right, so sorry for the mess on my workstation. It's a big box, so I'm trying to show you the best that I can. Comes with this manual. And here's the goods. Let me put this down when I take it out of the box. Take this bag off. That's why it wasn't turning smooth. And there was this power cord over here. So yeah, sorry everyone, not the smoothest unboxing video. It's kind of hard with larger packages, but here's what the display looks like. And yeah, just want to quickly show you unboxing this. Excited to set it up. Like I said, I already have one of these and they work great at purifying the air in my place. So thanks everyone. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.